Staying productive with Kiara. Welcome to Ray's Hut.
Hi guys, welcome to this new spooky video. This is a special one because I wanted to do something fancy for Halloween. Therefore, I decided to make an extra video just for the occasion. So there you are. These are 10 ideas for your Halloween quarantine edition. First off, something that is pretty old-fashioned but you can always do even if you are blocked at home is to decorate a pumpkin. Very easy, cute, and you can also have fun decorating one with your family. As you can see, I'm just decorating one that's in plastic, but you can still get a real one and carve it. Obviously, you can read a horror book. Choose one that gives you chills. You can always choose a thriller book as well if you don't really want to read horror, but this one definitely is another option if you're a bookaholic like me. Choose a compilation of Halloween movies. Plus, you can watch them with your friends in call, which makes option number 4. Organize a video call with your friends to watch movies together, or do whatever stuff you want to do with your friends. Make a Halloween music playlist. This one couldn't be missing as well. It's essential to have the right ambience, especially on such a holiday. You need to give voice to those thrilling vibes. Prepare Halloween cookies and sweets, or buy them and fill your mouth with them. One of the reasons why this holiday is so loved by kids is the fact that you can actually go around and ask for sweets. Stay home, stay safe, but you can still go buy them at a local store. And the best thing is that this time you can pick them. Play a Halloween table game with your family, or play a mystery or horror game. This one probably isn't really a classic, but I personally love to watch scary videos. Not particularly on Halloween, but in general. It was something that I used to do a lot when I was about 11 or 12. So doing such a thing, playing a horror game on Halloween, just really brings back those vibes. Of course, it's something that is essentially hoping to you as well. Try this out and let me know in the comments below if you liked it as an option for your Halloween at home. Light up candles and make orange juice cocktails. Or even alcoholic ones. I don't really like alcohol myself, but if you enjoy drinking alcohol, you can spice those drinks up with a little bit of it. Make a DIY Halloween dress and do your Halloween makeup by yourself at home. Even though you're probably not gonna go to any parties, it's still really sweet to try out something new, to dress up for such an occasion for one single day in the whole year. So why wasting the occasion? It's a free cosplay. And this one truly applies for anything I said before. pull a Halloween all-nighter. Probably this is the idea of the century. Okay, no, I'm joking. But this could really be fun, especially if you really organize yourself with anything you may need for a Halloween night. Like, bring those popcorns, bring those sweets and drinks, and prepare a music playlist or even that movie compilation I told you before. Let's try out something new for once. It's true that we can go out with friends, but we can try out deepening a connection with ourselves. And this also involves having more fun with ourselves. So I hope you're gonna have it, and I hope you enjoyed the video as well. Tell me in the comments below if you're gonna do something from this list of things for your quarantine Halloween. Also, leave a like if you liked the video and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you next time.